Good morning, library friends. Today it is raining out, and so I brought with me a book about what happens when it rains. It's called Puddle, and it's by Yewon Yum. What do we see here? Girl and her dog hanging out in the puddle, stomping around, splashing and splooshing. That looks like fun. Oh, and there on the end papers, lots of puddles. Puddle. We are hearing this courtesy of Macmillan Publishing. Thanks for letting us share. I hate rainy days. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go. I can't go to the playground. I can't play soccer. I can't ride my bike. Don't be so grumpy, says Mom. We can have fun at home. Do you want to draw? No, I don't want to. I'll never draw. Okay then, I'll draw by myself. Ta-da! It's an umbrella. Everybody's got to come and look and see. Cat and dog and kid. There. There's Kid with umbrella. Kid says, but where are you? I don't want to go out all alone. Okay, I'll draw me next to you. And draw Billy too. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Plus, I don't like wet dog smell. Mom, please. There we go. Now everyone is in the picture. Mom and kid and Billy, the soon-to-be wet dog. Thanks, Mom. But there's no rain. Right. Why don't you draw the rain? Okay. I'm really good at this. Look. Look at all that rain coming down. Oh no! It's pouring. I know, and it's very windy. Hold the umbrella really tight. Oh my! What is that? It's a puddle! No, 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 says Mom. But it's too late. Oh my! Such a big splash! And everyone gets wet. Mom and Billy the dog. I said not to go in there. Now you're all wet, and I am too. Oh, Mom is not happy. Mom, it's just a picture. Don't get mad. Don't do that, Billy. Mom! Now the dog is in on the action, shaking himself off. Don't get mad. It's just a picture, you know? This was fun. Can we go for a real walk? Why not? We have raincoats, we have rain boots, and umbrellas. Here they go. Look, even Billy has a raincoat. Uh-oh. What do you think is going to happen? I see a puddle. Sploosh! Everybody jumps in and stomps around in their boots. Even Mom looks like she's about to join them. She's got a little puddle here she's splashing in. And I bet you she's going to come and jump in that big puddle too. There they all are. Splishin' and a splashin'. Do you like to splash in puddles? I love to splash in puddles. I have a pair of yellow rain boots with chickens on them that I like to wear to splash in puddles. What color are your rain boots?